For years, Elon Musk has been talking about a robot that could change the world. Many people thought it was just another big promise from the Tesla CEO. Some even called it a science fiction dream. But now the dream is becoming real, and it is happening faster than anyone expected. Tesla has finally confirmed that the most powerful version of its humanoid robot, called Optimus 3, is about to hit the market. And the numbers behind this project are so big that even top experts are shocked. This is not just a small step in robotics. This is the beginning of a brand new industry, and Elon Musk is leading the race once again. The story of Optimus started back in 2021, when Musk first showed the world a small concept of a humanoid robot at Tesla's AI Day event. At that time, most people laughed at the idea. They thought a car company could not build a working robot. But Tesla kept moving forward year after year. In 2022, the first real prototype was shown. In 2023, the robot started walking. In 2024, it was shown folding clothes and sorting blocks. And now in 2026, Tesla is ready to begin full production of the third generation. According to Tesla's own Q1 2026 earnings report, the company has already started installing the first large factory line for Optimus inside its Fremont plant in California. Even more shocking, Tesla is removing the old Model S and Model X production lines to make room for the robot. That alone tells you how serious this project really is. So what makes Optimus 3 the most powerful version ever built? Let us look at the real numbers. The robot stands about 5 feet 8 inches tall, which is around 173 centimeters, and it weighs close to 125 pounds, or 57 kilograms. It can walk at a speed of 1.2 meters per second, and it can stay balanced even on slopes of 15 degrees. The robot has 37 joints in total, which is 9 more joints than the older version. Its hands are the biggest upgrade. Each hand has 22 degrees of freedom, which means the fingers can move in 22 different ways. The new hands also use 50 small motors called actuators, which is about 4.5 times more than the previous model. This allows the robot to do soft and careful tasks like washing dishes, folding laundry, picking up an egg without breaking it, and even shaking hands with a gentle touch. According to Tesla's board chair Robin Denholm, these are not just lab demos. The robot is now ready for real homes and real factories. The brain of Optimus 3 is also very powerful. Tesla is using its brand new AI 5 chip, which Elon Musk has called the best edge computing chip in the world. This chip has about 5 times more memory bandwidth than the older Tesla AI chip. The robot also uses Grok, the artificial intelligence system built by Musk's other company called xAI. With Grok, the robot can talk to humans in normal language. You do not need to give it special commands. You can just speak to it like a friend. The robot can also learn by simply watching humans do a task instead of needing weeks of programming. This is the same kind of technology that Tesla uses in its self-driving cars. Musk often says the robot is just a Tesla car standing on 2 legs. Now let us talk about the production plans, because this is where things get really wild. Tesla has confirmed that the first large factory line at Fremont is being designed to build 1 million Optimus robots every year. Production is planned to start around July or August of 2026. But Tesla is not stopping there. The company is also building a second giant factory next to its plant in Texas. According to a recent report from the Robot Report, this Texas factory will cover 5.2 million square feet of land, and the construction cost is between $5 to $10 billion. The long-term goal of this second factory is to produce 10 million robots every year. To put that number in perspective, Tesla currently sells around 1.8 million cars a year, so the company is planning to build more robots than cars by a huge margin. The price of Optimus is another reason this product is going to break the market. Other humanoid robots in the world today are very expensive. For example, Boston Dynamics Atlas costs around $140,000 to $150,000. Figure 02 from Figure AI is also priced above $100,000. But Elon Musk wants to sell Optimus for only $20,000 to $30,000 once mass production begins. That is less than the price of a basic family car. The first units will be more expensive, but as the factories grow bigger, the cost is expected to drop fast. This is the same trick Tesla used with its electric cars. The first Tesla Roadster cost over $100,000, but today a Model 3 sells for under $40,000. Musk is using the same playbook with Optimus. The impact of this robot on the global economy could be massive. According to Goldman Sachs research, the humanoid robot market could grow to over $150 billion within the next 10 to 15 years. Morgan Stanley analysts have even higher numbers, predicting the market could reach $5 trillion in the long run. And Musk himself believes that Optimus will be responsible for 80% of Tesla's future value. He said this clearly in September of 2025. That is why Tesla has doubled its capital spending budget for 2026 to almost $20 billion, with a huge part of that money going into the robot project. One Optimus robot is expected to do the work of about 5 humans in normal conditions. It does not get tired, it does not need a salary, and it can work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Of course, not everything is perfect. Tesla still has many challenges to solve before the robot can be sold to regular customers. Building a robot that can balance, walk, and use its hands like a human is one of the hardest problems in technology. Even Musk admitted on the latest earnings call that the production speed is hard to predict because Optimus has more than 10,000 unique parts. He said the speed of the project depends on the slowest and weakest part in the entire system. There are also experts who do not believe in the project. Some scientists, like Australian roboticist Rodney Brooks, have called the idea of a humanoid helper robot pure fantasy thinking. But even with all this doubt, Tesla is the only company moving toward mass production at this scale. The first Optimus robots will be used inside Tesla's own factories. By the end of 2026, thousands of them are expected to be working on the production lines. After that, Tesla will start selling them to other companies for industrial use. The full consumer launch is planned for the end of 2027, which means regular families could buy a robot for their home in just a few years. Imagine a future where your robot does the cooking, cleans your house, takes care of your garden, and even helps with your kids' homework. That world is no longer science fiction. It is coming faster than most people realize. Elon Musk has often said that humanoid robots will one day outnumber humans on the planet. A few years ago, that sounded crazy. Today, with Tesla's huge factories rising up in California and Texas, and with billions of dollars being invested in the project, that statement feels very real. The most powerful version of Optimus is no longer a prototype on a stage. It is a real machine, ready to step into our world and change the way we live, work, and think about the future. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more stories about Elon Musk, Tesla, and the future of technology, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.